Hi, lovely people. Now, today, the mushroom sauce. So, ingredient number one, mushroom. Nicely cut it. But we start with baking the pancetta. Pancetta is, let's say, cubed bacon. So, we will start with this. We will do it in coconut oil. Oil, okay, it's now fixed above the 25 degrees, but coconut oil. But of course, you can use very nice olive oil as well. Of course, Italian. So in the meantime, we are boiling here some water for the pasta. Later, we will add some salt in it. The pasta is already here, and the ingredient is absolutely the parsley. Nicely cut it. So, and to finish everything, a very nice cooking cream to make absolutely a very nicely cream. So, after the wine, first now starting with the pancetta. So, the pancetta in the coconut oil or the olive oil. And first, nicely start baking this. So, when it's a little bit baked, then the mushroom can come in. Like this. And here we go again. Okay, the next step is some salt, pepper. I always do it in this way because it can be too much. And with the pancetta is already salted, so be careful. And the parsley. And continue baking. Okay, the mushroom is a little bit cooking. We wait for it. Next step is the pasta. We have already boiled water. We add some salt in it, like this. And the next step is the pasta. Of course, fresh pasta we made. And here it goes. Like this. So the pasta is now cooking for about, when it's cooking, about 2 to 3 minutes. And in the meantime, in the mushroom, we are adding the cream. So for 2 persons, let's say 1 deciliter is enough. So we do now about half of the package, half of the pack. And in the meantime, we are making here the sauce. As soon as the pasta is ready, we take out the pasta. 2 tools, possibility, both of course totally Italian, but today I'm using this one to grab it out. So all the pasta to the sauce. So you see, in 2 times, all is there, and a bit. So now putting everything together. Everything ready, mixed, and now our fresh pasta with nice mushroom sauce. Serving. Now, our lovely dish is ready, and of course, finish it with some parmesan and of course, a very nice white wine. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy it. Cheers.